Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video we will be discussing that how to find out when someone unblocks you on WhatsApp. So it's usually difficult to find out when someone unblocks you on WhatsApp or blocks you on WhatsApp. So I'll be sharing a little trick to know that when someone unblocks you or blocks you on WhatsApp. So let's first off go to WhatsApp, open your WhatsApp chats and open the person who blocked you. So right now I'm in the chat from my other phone, and from here as you can see there is online status that I can see under the name, and I can also see the profile picture. This means I am not blocked on WhatsApp at all by the other user. So let me block myself from my other phone and let's see what happens. So as you can see now I cannot see the user's profile picture and also the user's online status on the chat. This means that I am blocked by the user, and if I try to send a message to this chat, you can see that message only gets one single tick and never gets a double tick. So this means the other user has blocked you, and to find out when they have unblocked you, there is also a little trick for that. You need to go back to the person's chat and see if you can see their profile picture anymore, and when you are able to see the profile picture, this means that they have unblocked you. So let me unblock myself from my other phone and let's see what happens. And as you can see the online status is back on the screen and the profile pictures is also back. This means that they have unblocked me, and now if I want to type a message, let's type a message and send it. You can see it gets double ticks and also a blue tick, which means they have unblocked me and read my message. So that's how you can find out when someone unblocks you on WhatsApp. This was a little trick I wanted to share with you. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in comment section. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.